Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to make your Wix website stand out with personalized parts, like your own custom headings or embedded YouTube videos, today's tutorial will walk you through the entire process of adding custom elements in Wix and explain not just the how, but also the why. By the end of this video, you'll have a hands-on example you can build on and a solid understanding of how these features can really bring your site to life. Let's jump right into it. First, head over to your Wix web design dashboard. You should see your website editor front and center. This is the creative workspace where all the magic happens. So take a moment to get comfortable and look around if you haven't already. The great thing here is that Wix keeps things pretty visual. Most of it is drag and drop, so you don't need to worry about coding or anything complex. Now, let's start adding a custom element. At the top left of your screen, you'll find the Add Elements button. Go ahead and give that a click. Or if you've set aside a blank section on your site, maybe you've reserved some space for this tutorial, just hover over that empty space. Both ways will work, and it's really about what feels easiest for you. For our example, let's add a title. With the Elements panel open, look for the Text option. Click on that and you'll see a bunch of text presets pop up. This is where you decide how bold or subtle some you want your message to appear. Today, let's select Heading 2. Now, why Heading 2? Well, headings are important not just for styling, but also for SEO. They help search engines like Google understand what's important on your page. Heading 2 is perfect for subheadings or standout titles that aren't your main site headline. Once you click it, you'll notice a text box appears on your site. Go ahead and type Learn Guitar in 7 days. This instantly becomes a focal point for your visitors, telling them exactly what's on offer. Next, let's add a video to give your page that extra interactive vibe. Return to the Elements menu, and this time scroll down until you see the Video and Music section. Click it. You'll get a few options, but for now, let's choose YouTube Video. Embedding a video can really boost engagement. Think of it like giving your visitors a personal invitation to dive deeper without ever leaving your site. Now, a small box will pop up prompting you for the video URL. Just head over to YouTube, find a video you want to embed, preferably something relevant like a guitar lesson, and copy the web address from your browser. Come back to Wix and paste the URL into the designated field. And really, that's it. Your video should load up right on your page, ready to play for anyone who visits. Take a second to reposition or resize the elements to fit your design. Don't worry if things don't look perfect right away. Wix makes it simple to tweak layouts until you're happy. So there you have it, a new custom heading and an embedded YouTube video, just like that. Using these elements is what makes your site feel truly you and gives your visitors something to remember. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give the video a like. And let me know in the comments if you run into any issues or have questions about customizing your Wix site. And of course, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy building!